All right, doing a quick install on the glove box. Mine was a lot damaged. I may replace it later. I did some minor repairs to it. See here, I just right here. So the glove box, I mean, I should probably replace it, but I'm gonna go put it in. It's easier to replace later. So when you put it in, stay to the right a little bit, and then just a little bit of top angle, like that. Okay, and then got your light. Just make sure you get that wire inside the glove box, like that. And that just, the light just plugs in, pushes in like that. Okay, and then you've got one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 screws that hold it in. There's one on the side here, and 2 up top on the side here, and then the bottom 3 holds the box and also the hinge for the box for the door itself. All right, so you got 1 screw, 2 for the sides, and then 2 for the top. And then now for the hinge. So the hinge goes in, the top of the hinge itself, like that, is facing down, like that. Ooh, this way. All right, so I'll screw that on, and then I need to make sure I screw this on and also hit the box as well. All right, I had a hard time getting the box in, so for starters, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the hinge on the door first. All right, and then to get it in, you just gotta finesse the box at an angle and get that that stopper in there. So I'm gonna use this 2 hands. Okay, there we go. Yeah, you just have to put it at the right angle, tip it up, put the bottom right of the box inside the box, and then kind of pry it in. All right, there we go. So I'll put the lock on later, and then if this arm here, if it rubs on the hole here, you can push it in and then reach in the inside and then pull it out or push it in depending on which direction it needs to go, so it's not rubbing on this. And then that should be it. Sometimes the box doesn't center right. Mine's not centered right, so I'll have to figure out why. But these, for some reason, this screw hole here is just a round one, but these two, this one here and this one here, is oval, which means you can adjust it back and forth. But I don't know why this wouldn't be oval. So this is stationary, so you can't really move it back and forth. So I'll have to figure out what else to do. But it's still not too bad. So it needs to go a tad to the left, but as soon as I get the lock on it, it'll stay shut, and that's it.